Good day, I'm from KK Prepaid. Today we'll be discussing the Honeywell or Ulster single phase meters and the keypad, some troubleshooting. So with the meters, the first thing to do when you're worried about you have a connecting issue or a problem loading or checking balances, you must check if you have an inverter, make sure your inverter's off. If you have Wi-Fi, DSTV, just unplug those while you checking. They don't need to be turned off all the time. It's only if you're having a connecting issue. With the keypad, it must be plugged in. Comes with a cable, a standard plug. We ask that you try and keep it plugged in all the time and try to use a plug as close to your DB board as possible. Also, make sure that you're using a plug that you know works. Okay. With the plug, we also recommend that you don't plug it with a multi-plug. Make sure that it's plugged by itself and nothing else is plugged into it. Okay. Also, make sure that you have batteries. The batteries go inside here. It's your standard AA batteries. Just in case you ever run out, you will have an issue loading if you do not have batteries. When you check in, if you're having any problems, make sure that you check your breaker. Make sure your breaker is on an on position. Most DB boards have a breaker like this with a green, which is your earth leakage. What we recommend is you put the breaker all the way down and all the way back up. Even if it hasn't tripped, sometimes the breaker can get stuck halfway through and you haven't realized that it's actually tripped. So we recommend all the way down, all the way up. Okay, so with your meter, the most important things to check when you are struggling to load is making sure it's got batteries, making sure it's plugged in, making sure that your main breaker's up, your earth leakage is up, and nothing has tripped. If you are still struggling to connect or struggling to load, what we recommend is you unplug, turn your breaker off, take your batteries out, leave the keypad for 10 to 15 minutes. This will just reset everything and then you can just put everything back together. This will cause the meter to reset, which can help with the connecting issues. With the Honeywell or the Ulster single phase meter, to check your balance is 801 and enter your bottom right button. 30 kilowatts. And that is the Honeywell split single phase meter. Thank you.